I think you should intentionally use your formal dining room every single night you are at home. So there's a bit of rain in the background there. It's raining really heavy here. G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and today I'm going to ask you a serious question, and that is, how often do you use your formal dining room? Now, if you ask me how often I use my formal dining room, I would say I use it almost every evening that myself and my family are at home having a meal. A lot of clients come to me and they'll be like, hey, I use my formal dining room only at Christmas and at Easter or something like that, like some kind of big celebration. But then to me, I think that's a waste of space. I think you should intentionally use your formal dining room every single night you are at home. Some people say, well, what's the point of having a formal dining room if you don't use it? And I actually agree with that sentiment as well. But then I also turn it on your head and say, well, you know what? Maybe we should be using our formal dining rooms more. You know why? We are too distracted with the technology around us. And as a result, with all those technological distractions, we've actually forgotten how to eat, like formally. You're there to eat dinner and you're there to communicate to the other people in your home. Having that formal dining room experience actually gives you a lot of rules to work with, which means no technology at the table, no books at the table, no games at the table, no toys at the table, no newspapers at the table. But it is nice to actually have a proper dinner, sit down dinner as a family where you are not distracted. And also one of the other things about the formal dining room is you don't want the distraction of the kitchen. The kitchen can be a very distracting place, as can the living area where the television might reside. Because these days, a lot of us live in open plan or open concept, as the Americans call it, okay, homes and living. So we completely understand that, you know, when you're in one room, you can feel the vibe from the other room, and you feel the vibe to the other room. Sometimes it's nice to have those three separate spaces between the kitchen, living room, and the dining room. We do get it, yeah. As interior designers, we do get it. We design a lot of spaces that are open plan, open concept. But people do not use their formal dining rooms, and it drives me nuts. Don't have a formal dining room if you're not going to use it. Use the damn thing. Here's the deal. You need to use it. There's no point in having something special if you don't use it. If everything is for a rainy day, as we always talk about, that's for a rainy day, that's for a rainy day, you will never use it. Don't make your dining room into like a cluttered room that's not for dining. I don't know how many people use their dining room as a drop zone for everything else. I do agree that dining rooms can be used like multifunctional rooms. So for example, it might be where the kids do their craft, or one of the parents might put their laptop there and do some work at it. That's fine. I'm not having a go at that. But I'm talking about when a dining room becomes a permanent drop zone and people stop using the dining room and they just use kitchen island, becomes their permanent eating space. I do get that if you say live in an apartment or something like that, or in a small space, that having, you know, eating at the kitchen makes sense. That makes perfect sense because it's a space thing. But if you've got the formal dining, use it. Like, why not use it? So there's a bit of rain in the background there. It's raining really heavy here. So please use your formal dining rooms, because it is an absolute travesty on the house if you don't. If I find out you're not using your formal dining room, I'm going to come to your house. I'm going to make you use it. I will make a dinner for you and I will make you use your formal dining, but I'll also make you clean up your formal dining as well. All right? That's what we're going to do. Anyway, if you like the content, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.